Keepspace provides really rich interactive dashboards, but what if you want to export these out to a PDF? We're looking at our Revizto Coordination app right now, and as you can see, it's very, very interactive. Things can be dynamically viewed, even things like the QR codes can be generated through this. But what if I want to generate a simple PDF report? In that case, I click this button and it requests a report. I can do the same operation in the Model Audit app. Looking at my report, looking at all the details, and then I just click the report. Now, it's an asynchronous operation, and then very, very quickly we will get an email. We can click download your exported report, open that up, and we can then review that report in PDF format.